The 2026 Ferrari Mansory 12Cilindri has arrived as one of the boldest transformations ever applied to Ferrari's new V12 Grand Tour. Mansory, known globally for turning already exclusive supercars into even more extreme machines, has taken the elegant 12-Cilindri and reshaped it into something far more aggressive, more powerful, and undeniably attention-grabbing. The base Ferrari model was already a high point for the brand, continuing the legacy of front-engine V12 icons, but Mansory's work pushes the car into a new league that blends luxury, performance, and show-stopping design in a way only this tuner can achieve. Ferrari designed the 12-Cilindri as a celebration of pure mechanical artistry. Its naturally aspirated V12 engine stands as one of the last remaining high-performance engines of its kind, delivering a classic Ferrari driving feel that modern electrified performance cars often cannot match. Mansory built on this foundation by enhancing airflow, reworking engine software and optimizing exhaust performance to unlock even more capability. While Ferrari's original model produces impressive power, Mansory's tuned version raises performance significantly, creating faster throttle response, stronger high-speed acceleration and a more pronounced exhaust note that turns the car into a moving symphony of V12 sound. The redesign continues with a complete carbon fiber exterior package crafted by hand. Every panel that could be replaced, reshaped or refined has been reimagined with exposed carbon textures that give the car a darker and more aggressive presence. The front end is sharper and wider, featuring larger intakes for improved cooling and a lower splitter that increases downforce during high-speed driving. Along the sides, Mansory adds sculpted skirts that direct airflow smoothly to the rear while giving the car a more muscular stance. The back of the 12-Cilindri sees the most dramatic change with a new diffuser, redesigned exhaust exits and a rear wing that helps stabilize the car during sharp cornering and rapid acceleration. Beyond visual appeal, these carbon additions serve a functional purpose. Reducing weight while improving aerodynamics means the 12-Cilindri becomes more stable, more responsive and more capable on both road and track. The lighter exterior components help offset the vehicle's already powerful engine, allowing drivers to experience a sharper and more precise handling feel. Mansory's engineers focus heavily on airflow management, and the results can be felt even at moderate speeds where the car grips confidently and accelerates with minimal drag. Inside the cabin, Mansory introduces a level of luxury that matches the boldness of the exterior. Ferrari's standard interior is already crafted with premium leather, advanced digital displays and a balance of modern and classical design cues. Mansory elevates this by adding hand-stitched upholstery, unique color combinations and bespoke materials that are selected to match each customer's personality. Soft touch Alcantara covers the dashboard and door panels, while premium carbon fiber trim lines the center console, steering wheel and seat backs. Every surface feels intentional and tailored, giving the interior a custom-crafted feeling found only in ultra-luxury tuning houses. The seats themselves receive additional padding and support, designed to provide comfort during long-distance grand touring without sacrificing the sporty feel expected from a Ferrari. Mansory's attention to detail is visible in the smallest features including contrast stitching, custom floor mats and embroidered emblems that distinguish the Mansory 12-Cilindri from the standard production model. Ambient lighting is enhanced to add a modern and luxurious environment, especially during nighttime driving where the interior becomes a glowing cockpit built for performance. Technology remains fully intact from Ferrari's original system. Drivers are greeted with a high-definition digital cluster that displays performance data, navigation, and drive settings. The passenger display continues to offer its own set of functions including speed readings, infotainment controls, and access to media options. Mansory's modifications do not interfere with these systems, ensuring that the full range of Ferrari's advanced tech remains reliable and fully functional. On the road, the 2026 Ferrari Mansory 12-Cilindri delivers an unforgettable driving experience. The upgraded V12 roars with a deeper tone and pulls strongly through every gear. Even at low speeds, the car feels alive, always ready for sudden acceleration or responsive cornering. As the revs climb, the power delivery becomes smoother and more intense, reminding drivers why naturally aspirated V12 engines continue to hold legendary status. Mansory's exhaust tuning amplifies this sound, creating a crisp and powerful note that echoes classic Ferrari heritage while adding a modern edge. Handling benefits from the tuned suspension setup that lowers the car slightly and stiffens the chassis for improved grip. Mansory maintains a careful balance so the car still handles comfortably on daily roads while offering track-capable precision. The steering feels tight and direct, giving drivers full confidence when navigating tight turns or pushing the car during spirited driving. Braking performance is equally strong with upgraded brake components that provide immediate stopping power and better heat resistance during aggressive driving sessions. The 2026 Mansory 12Cilindri is built for a specific type of customer. It is not for someone seeking subtle luxury or understated elegance. Instead, it is for enthusiasts who want exclusivity, performance, and bold design that stands out in every situation. The modifications elevate the Ferrari into an even rarer category where craftsmanship and customization meet extreme automotive engineering. With limited availability and a price that rises far above the standard 12-Cilindri, owning one becomes a statement of individuality and passion for high-performance art. As Ferrari moves toward a future that blends electrification with traditional engines, the Mansory 12-Cilindri represents a farewell to an iconic era of pure V12 power. It is a collector's piece, a performance machine, and a visual masterpiece crafted for those who understand the emotional connection that comes with driving a front-engine Ferrari at its peak. For 2026, few cars capture this blend of heritage and modern power as completely as the Mansory interpretation of the 12-Cilindri.